Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be discussing how you can track enhanced conversions using Google Tag Manager. So in my previous video, I told you how to set up conversion tracking using Google Ads Manager. So in this video, we will be looking at how we can set up enhanced conversions for Google Ads. But first, let's quickly understand what enhanced conversions are. So enhanced conversions are the actions taken by users on your website that will have a very high impact on your business goals. These actions could be anything from filling out a lead form to making a purchase on your website. Tracking these enhanced conversions is crucial for optimizing and marketing campaigns and improving your ROI. So let's see how you can set this up. So the first thing you want to do is to turn on enhanced conversions from your Google Ads account. So what you will need to do is just go to tools and settings, then click on measurements, go to conversions, click on the conversion action that you have just created, scroll to the bottom and just click on enhance conversions and then turn on enhance conversions. So we are going to use Google Tag Manager to set this up. So just select this option and click on next. So here you will want to enter the URL of your website. So just copy the URL of your website and click on check URL. So if you have multiple options here, just select the GTM code that is showing up on your Tag Manager account and click on next, and after that click on save. So now the enhanced conversions is enabled through Google Ads. So you will have to set it up via Google Tag Manager so that the conversions are recorded properly. So in order to set this up, click on preview. So click on preview. So you will need to open the tag assistant and then enter the website URL here and then click on connect. So this is going to open your web page. You're going to need to make a test purchase and just fill in some random data for your test purchase. So one thing you can do is to make a test purchase, enable cash on delivery option from your WooCommerce settings. So in order to enable these settings, just go to your WordPress dashboard. From WooCommerce, go to settings and then payment. Click on all payment methods and you will see this option here, cash on delivery. So just enable this option and click on save changes. So I already have this enabled. So let's complete our test purchase. And so once the order has been received on the website, on that tag assistant, you can see that the conversion action has been fired. So under purchase, we can see that these values are showing up well from the previous video in which we set up the conversion tracking itself. So what we need is go to variables, sorry, data layer. We have all the data here about the customer name, their first name, their last name, their company name, their address. So these are just some of the random values that I have entered here for reference only. So in order to get Google Tag Manager to fetch this data and then send it to Google Ads, we will have to create variables. Go to your Google Ads conversion tags, click anywhere, and then select include user provided data from your website. Here, click on new variable. This is all the data that you want Google to fetch so that the enhanced conversions can work properly. So we will need the email, the phone, the first name, the second name, the street, and the city as well. So whatever details are there. So let's just open this in a new tab. So open Google Tag Manager in a new tab and click on variables. So keep both of these windows open for reference for what details you want for the enhanced conversions. So in order to create a variable, so the first thing we need is email, right? So we click on new, we click on the center, and we need a data layer variable. So it's going to be enhanced conversion email. So what's going to be the data layer variable name? It's going to be order data dot customer dot shipping dot first name. I'm sorry, it's not first name, it's the email. So it's going to be order data dot customer dot billing, sorry, dot billing dot email. And just click on save. So once you have the email that data layer variable set up, you can just refresh on this page. Let me see if it, okay. So as you can see here, the email is showing up, right? So just click on save. It's going to be new variable, and it's going to be email. So it's going to be enhanced conversions data. Click on save and save here as well. So we are going to we are going to check this again to see if the email is getting fetched by this or not. Right. So you can see here that the enhanced conversion value email has been fetched here. So you will have to do this for all the details that are required for enhanced conversions. So let's close this. Sorry. So what you can do is just go to variable, and this is the user provided data that was provided by us. So here you can just set the phone number, the first name, the surname, the address, and everything. So I'm going to do this quickly and then move further with this. So I have created a data layer variable for each of these, and now we are going to link it. So to link it, click on the EC data, the enhanced conversion data that we just created. Click on the center and just select this. For phone, it's going to be phone. First name is going to be name. Street is going to be the address. City is going to be EC city. The region is going to be state. In this case, the country is going to be EC country, and the postcode is going to be EC postcode, right? And we are going to click on save. So once this has been saved, just click on preview. So as we can see here, all the enhanced conversion data was fetched by this tag right here. So we can see that it's working fine. You can provide shipping data as well using the same method. So after all of this is complete, just click on submit and click on publish as well. So if there are any errors in enhanced conversion, it will show up on your Google Ads conversion tab. So this is only going to show up if your Google Ads is recording conversions. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.